What's up everybody, it's 10x ranked. If you're tired of watching your money disappear faster than your Wi-Fi signal in the basement, this video is for you. We're talking about saving you some serious cash with these 10 genius money-saving hacks that will have your wallet overflowing in 2025. You guys know I love giving away money, but I also know how important it is to hold on to it. That's why I'm hooking you up with these tips. And make sure you stick around until the end because I've got a bonus tip that banks don't want you to know. Alright, let's kick things off with a challenge that'll change the way you think about spending. Imagine a world where every purchase you make is scrutinized through a simple yet powerful lens. This isn't just about saving money, it's about transforming your entire approach to personal finance. We're calling this the $1 rule. It's a game changer, a mindset shift that can help you make more intentional choices with your money. It's super simple. Before you buy anything, ask yourself one question. Would I still buy this if it only cost $1 per use? This question forces you to think about the true value and utility of the item. Let's break it down. Imagine you're eyeing that trendy new gadget or a piece of clothing. Ask yourself, would I still buy this if it only cost $1 per use? This simple question can reveal a lot about your spending habits. Think about it, that $5 latte you get every day, if you only drank 1 cup of coffee for the entire year, would you still buy it? Probably not. This isn't about depriving yourself, but about making conscious choices. Now extend this thinking to other areas of your life. What about that gym membership you rarely use? Or the streaming service you hardly watch? By applying the $1 rule, you can identify and eliminate unnecessary expenses. This hack is all about understanding the true value of what you're buying and avoiding those impulse purchases that drain your bank account. It's about being mindful and intentional with your money. Trust me, this one simple question will save you a ton of money in the long run. By adopting the $1 rule, you'll not only save money but also gain a deeper appreciation for the things you choose to spend on. It's a small change with a big impact on your financial well-being. Let's be real, saving money can be tough. But what if I told you there's a way to save without even thinking about it? That's where automating your savings comes in. It's like magic, but for your money. Here's how it works. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every single payday. It doesn't have to be a lot, even $5 a week adds up to $260 a year. That's like getting a free $260 just for being responsible. Treat saving like a bill you can't afford to miss. Your future self will thank you. Yo, who doesn't love free money? That's what I thought. Stop leaving free money on the table and start using cashback and reward apps. These apps are like having a superpower that puts money back in your pocket for things you're already buying. We're talking about apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Fetch Rewards. They give you cashback for shopping online, buying groceries, and even scanning your receipts. It's literally free money, people. Download a few of these apps and watch the savings roll in. You can thank me later. Chapter 4. Stop paying full price. Listen up because this is important. Never, and I mean never, pay full price online. The internet is a vast ocean of deals and discounts, and you'd be crazy to miss out. Before you hit that buy now button, do yourself a favor and install a browser extension like Honey or Capital One Shopping. These extensions work their magic in the background, automatically scouring the web for the best coupon codes and discounts. They'll even apply the best code at checkout so you don't have to lift a finger. It's like having your own personal discount ninja working tirelessly to save you money. Chapter 5. The 30-day rule. We've all been there, you're scrolling online and bam! You see something you just have to have. It's like the product is calling your name, promising to make your life better, easier, or just more fun. The excitement builds up and before you know it, your finger is hovering over that buy now button. But hold on a second. Before you empty your wallet, let me introduce you to the 30-day rule. This simple yet effective strategy can save you from countless impulse purchases and help you make more mindful decisions about your spending. This rule is simple but powerful. When you want to buy something non-essential, wait 30 days. Yes, you heard that right. Just give yourself a month to think it over. During this time, you might find that the initial excitement fades, and you realize you don't need the item as much as you thought you did. That's it. Put it on a wish list, write it down, whatever you have to do. The key is to create a buffer period between the impulse and the action. This gives you time to evaluate whether the purchase aligns with your long-term goals and priorities. After 30 days, if you still really want it and it fits within your budget, go for it. By then, you'll have had ample time to consider the pros and cons, and you'll be making a more informed decision. Plus, you might have found a better deal or an alternative that suits your needs even more. But chances are, that initial urge to buy will have faded, and you'll have saved yourself some serious cash. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment and relief knowing that you didn't give in to a fleeting desire. Your bank account will thank you, and you'll be one step closer to achieving your financial goals. Impulse buying is a money killer, but the 30-day rule is the antidote. By practicing this rule, you'll develop better spending habits and gain more control over your finances. So next time you feel the urge to make an impulsive purchase, remember the 30-day rule and give yourself the gift of time. Chapter 6. Cut subscription fat. Let's talk about subscription services because, let's be honest, we're all guilty of having too many. Are you still paying for 7 different streaming services but only watching one? It's time to cut the subscription fat. Go through your bank statements and identify any subscriptions you're not using regularly. Cancel them. You'll be surprised how much money you can save each month by ditching the digital clutter. And here's a bonus hack. Instead of paying for all the streaming services at once, rotate between them. Get your Netflix fix for a few months, then switch to Hulu, then Disney+. You'll still get your entertainment fix but without the hefty monthly bill. Chapter 7. Grocery Store Ninja Moves. Grocery shopping. It's a necessary evil, but it doesn't have to drain your bank account. With a few clever strategies, you can navigate the aisles like a pro and save big. Grocery stores are designed to make you spend more, but you can outsmart them with a few ninja moves. From strategic planning to smart shopping habits, these tips will help you keep more money in your pocket. First, never go to the grocery store hungry. When you're hungry, everything looks delicious, and you're more likely to make impulse purchases. Your stomach can easily override your budget, leading to unnecessary spending on snacks and treats. Second, make a list and stick to it. A well-thought-out list can be your best defense against overspending. Plan your meals for the week and write down exactly what you need. This way, you can avoid those tempting end cap displays and stick to the perimeter of the store where the fresh whole foods are. The perimeter is usually where you'll find the healthier options like fruits, vegetables, dairy, and meats. And finally, buy in bulk when it makes sense. Stocking up on staples like rice, beans, and oats in bulk can save you a ton of money in the long run. Not only does buying in bulk reduce packaging waste, but it also ensures you always have essential ingredients on hand. Just make sure to store them properly to maintain freshness. By incorporating these ninja moves into your grocery shopping routine, you'll be able to shop smarter, save money, and maybe even enjoy the process a little more. Happy shopping! Chapter 8. Energy and Water Savings. Did you know that your home could be leaking money? No, I'm not talking about a leaky faucet, although you should fix that too. I'm talking about energy and water waste. Simple changes like turning off lights when you leave a room, unplugging electronics when not in use, and taking shorter showers can make a big difference in your utility bills. And here's a bright idea. Switch to LED light bulbs. They last longer and use way less energy, saving you money on your electricity bill. Saving money and saving the planet? Now that's a win-win. Chapter 9. Buy used, not new. Listen, I love buying new stuff as much as the next person, but why pay full price when you can get amazing deals on gently used items? Before you shell out your hard-earned cash for clothes, furniture, or electronics, check out online marketplaces like Facebook, Marketplace, eBay, and Craigslist. You can find incredible deals on everything from designer clothes to vintage furniture. And don't forget about thrift stores. They're a treasure trove of unique and affordable finds. Embrace the pre-loved movement and save yourself a ton of money. Chapter 10. The Invest Your Savings Trick. This last hack is the key to building real wealth. Every time you save money using the tips in this video, don't just let that money sit in your savings account. Invest it. That's right, put that money to work for you. Investing might sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Start by researching low-cost index funds or ETFs. These are like baskets of stocks that allow you to invest in the entire stock market with a single purchase. Over time, your money will grow exponentially thanks to the power of compound interest. Remember, the best time to invest was yesterday, the second best time is today. And there you have it, my friends. 10 life-changing money-saving hacks that will have you swimming in cash like you're in one of my challenges. But wait, there's more. I promised you a bonus tip, and I always deliver. Bonus tip. Call your phone, internet, or insurance provider and ask for a better deal. Most companies will lower your bill if you just ask. It works. Try it. Which hack was your favorite? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tricks and life-changing tips.